Hi, partner. I'm so excited working with you soon. I'm Edniel Protasio, 26 years old, from Laguna, Philippines, where you will find the city of life and smiles. I graduated with a degree, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. In my past experience of work, I'm branch manager at motorcycle industry. You know what, partner? I'm a tech nerd. I am deeply interested in technology, social media platforms, and productivity because I have 6 years experience in terms of social media management, digital sales, marketing, e-commerce, and good customer service where I enjoyed creating effective contents, reels, videos, boosting of ads to reach potential customers that has lack of awareness in our product on our branch page by analyzing data insights by reach, audience, impressions, etc. to know if it is effective or not by using Meta Business Suite. Basically, I'm a leader and a team player who can work with others and can work independently at the same time. As your goal-oriented social media manager, my goal is not only to help you, but also to be your partner to maximize your personal time and to make an impact to whatever we do. I want to be one of the clients in achieving their goals and objective in terms of good business client relation. I want to be a successful person with my clients that gave me an opportunity to prove myself and also who trusted me to become his or her partner. My goal also is to achieve maximized career growth at an early stage to support my family and let them see the beauty our world has to offer. Being humble, dedicated, and passionate person boosted my desire to always leave a mark in every actions that I do. I can help you with all public presence that you need. I'm an avid fan of learnings, and maybe that's one of the reason why I was promoted from rank and file position to managerial position. That's something you have to look forward with our partnership. And if you have any recommendations there, feel free to message me, and I am looking forward to have a wonderful journey with you. That's all. Thank you so much, partner, and have a good day.